Hi everyone, we've released a battery OTA over-the-air update that brings several important improvements, including more accurate readings and fixing the sudden drops, jumps, and charging issues. Here's how to install it. First, open the Sweetmyo app. Make sure your Hub device is next to your phone and turn on the Hub device. Go to the device connection page, which looks like this, and connect your device. Once connected, tap My Studio, which is the profile icon next to Training. Then select OTA entry. Tap Start Update. This update will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Keep your phone close to the device and don't leave the app during the update. You'll see that the device will disconnect once the update is complete. The OTA has now finished updating your firmware. Your battery readings are now more accurate and charging performance is improved. Thank you for completing this update and upgrading your Sweetmyo experience.